Our planet is known as Earth, but perhaps it should also be called the ocean planet. More than 70% of our world is covered by water, creating a vast blue universe that stretches across the globe. For thousands of years, humans have explored mountains, forests, and even outer space. But beneath the endless waves lies one of the greatest mysteries on our planet, a world that remains mostly hidden from human eyes. Far below the surface, where sunlight slowly disappears, an incredible journey begins. This is a place where darkness rules, pressure becomes extreme, and life has developed in ways that seem almost impossible. As we leave the surface behind and travel deeper into the ocean, the bright world above begins to fade away. The warm sunlight becomes weaker, the colors disappear, and the peaceful blue ocean transforms into a mysterious unknown environment. Every meter deeper takes us into a different world. Here, survival is not easy. Creatures must adapt to freezing temperatures, powerful currents, and complete darkness. Those that survive have developed some of the most fascinating abilities on Earth. Hundreds of meters below the surface is a region known as the Twilight Zone. This is where the last rays of sunlight struggle to reach. It is a world between light and darkness, where countless creatures quietly move through the water. Some animals hide from predators using camouflage, while others have developed extraordinary senses to find food and survive. In this silent world, every creature has a unique story. As darkness takes over, another incredible phenomenon appears: bioluminescence. Many deep-sea creatures can create their own light through chemical reactions inside their bodies. These glowing organisms use their light in different ways. Some use it to attract prey, some use it to communicate, and others use it as a warning to stay away. In the darkness of the deep ocean, light itself becomes a tool for survival. Closer to the surface, another breathtaking ecosystem exists: the coral reefs. These underwater cities are among the most diverse places on Earth. Thousands of species depend on coral reefs for shelter and protection. Colorful fish, sea turtles, and countless other creatures create a living world filled with movement and beauty. But these fragile ecosystems are also facing challenges. A small change in the ocean environment can affect entire communities that have existed for thousands of years. Among the ancient travelers of the ocean are sea turtles. These incredible creatures have survived for millions of years and continue to cross vast oceans on journeys that remain one of nature's greatest wonders. Guided by instincts developed over generations, sea turtles travel through open waters, connecting different parts of our planet and showing us how deeply all life in the ocean is connected. But beneath these beautiful waters lies a much larger hidden landscape. Deep underwater mountains, enormous valleys, and towering cliffs cover the ocean floor. Some of these underwater formations are larger than many landscapes found on land. Yet despite modern technology, much of this mysterious world remains unexplored. And now, our journey moves even deeper. Beyond the reach of sunlight is the true abyss, a place of complete darkness, extreme pressure, and creatures that have adapted to one of the harshest environments on Earth. The deep ocean is not just a place of mystery, it is a reminder that our own planet still holds countless secrets waiting to be discovered. This is the hidden world beneath the wave. This is Earth Untold. As we continue our journey deeper into the ocean, we leave behind the familiar world of sunlight and enter a realm where some of the largest and most powerful creatures on Earth survive. The ocean is not empty. It is a living world filled with giants, hunters, and ancient species that have adapted perfectly to life beneath the waves. Among these giants is the blue whale, the largest animal ever known to exist on our planet. Despite its enormous size, this gentle giant moves through the ocean with incredible grace and calmness. Every movement of its powerful tail pushes thousands of liters of water, allowing it to travel across vast oceans in search of food and warmer waters. For millions of years, whales have followed ancient migration routes, crossing entire oceans. Their journeys connect different parts of the marine world and reveal how all ocean life is connected. But the deep ocean is also a place of competition. Here, survival depends on strength, speed, and the ability to adapt. Predators move silently through the darkness, using powerful senses to locate their prey. Some rely on speed, while others use patience and intelligence to survive. Unlike the bright world above, the deep ocean has its own rules. Every creature has evolved unique abilities to overcome the challenges of this hidden environment. As we descend further we enter the midnight zone, a place where sunlight can no longer reach. Here, darkness surrounds everything, and life must exist without the energy of the sun. In this mysterious region, strange creatures appear from the shadows. Some have transparent bodies, some have enormous eyes, and others create their own light in the endless darkness. These creatures may look unusual, but every feature has a purpose. Their bodies are perfectly designed for survival in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. The deep ocean is also home to one of nature's most fascinating wonders, the world of glowing creatures. Thousands of organisms use bioluminescence to survive. In the darkness, tiny flashes of light become signals, warnings, and tools for hunting. As our exploration continues, we discover places where humans have left their marks beneath the waves. Ancient shipwrecks rest silently on the ocean floor, slowly becoming part of the underwater ecosystem. Over time, coral grows on these forgotten structures, and marine life transforms them into new homes. Each shipwreck tells a story of human history, adventure, and mystery. Hidden beneath the ocean, these underwater time capsules continue to reveal secrets from the past. But perhaps one of the greatest mysteries of the deep ocean is a creature rarely seen by humans, the giant squid. For centuries, sailors told stories of enormous creatures hiding beneath the waves. Many believed these legends were impossible, until science proved that these incredible animals truly exist. The giant squid lives in the deep ocean, far from sunlight and human activity. With enormous eyes, powerful tentacles, and a body built for the darkness, it represents one of the ocean's greatest mysteries. As we move closer to this hidden world, we realize that the deep ocean is not just a place of darkness. It is a world full of life, beauty, and secrets waiting to be uncovered. But our journey is not over. Beyond these waters lie even deeper places, volcanic landscapes, extreme environments, and creatures that challenge everything we know about life on Earth. The deeper we go, the more mysterious the ocean becomes. Our journey now takes us deeper than ever before, into a world where sunlight has disappeared completely, and the ocean reveals some of its greatest secrets. Far below the surface, hidden beneath thousands of meters of water, lies a landscape unlike anything found on land. Here, the ocean floor is alive with powerful forces that continue to shape our planet. One of the most extraordinary places in the deep ocean is found around hydrothermal vents. These underwater structures release extremely hot, mineral-rich water from beneath Earth's crust. Discovered only a few decades ago, these mysterious environments changed our understanding of life itself. Scientists found creatures living here without depending on sunlight. Instead of energy from the sun, these ecosystems survive through a process called chemosynthesis, where tiny organisms use chemicals from the vents to create energy. Around these underwater chimneys, entire communities exist. Strange tube worms, unique bacteria, and unusual deep-sea creatures have adapted to one of the harshest environments on Earth. The discovery of these ecosystems showed us that life can survive in places once thought to be impossible. But the deep ocean is also shaped by powerful geological forces. Beneath the waves, underwater volcanoes continue to release energy from inside our planet. These volcanic landscapes create new seafloors and remind us that Earth is constantly changing. Even in the darkness of the ocean, our planet remains active and alive. As we travel further, we enter massive underwater canyons and valleys. These giant formations stretch across the ocean floor like hidden mountain ranges. Some underwater cliffs rise thousands of meters high, creating environments where countless species find shelter. In this endless darkness, creatures have evolved in extraordinary ways. Some have giant eyes to capture the smallest amount of light. Others have glowing organs to attract prey or communicate with their own kind. The anglerfish is one of the most famous examples. With a natural glowing lure above its mouth, it attracts smaller creatures in the darkness, turning the absence of light into an advantage. Every creature here tells a story of survival, adaptation, and the incredible power of evolution. But perhaps the greatest challenge lies at the deepest parts of the ocean, the trenches. These enormous underwater valleys are among the most extreme environments on Earth. The pressure here is hundreds of times greater than at the surface, yet life still exists in these impossible conditions. The Mariana Trench, the deepest known ocean trench on our planet, reaches depths where very few humans have ever traveled. At these extreme depths, strange creatures move slowly across the ocean floor, surviving in complete darkness and enormous pressure. For a long time, scientists believed that such places could not support complex life, but every exploration continues to prove that the ocean is full of surprises. The deep sea remains one of the last unexplored frontiers on Earth. With every expedition, we discover new species, new ecosystems, and new mysteries. Yet, for everything we have discovered, countless secrets still remain hidden beneath the waves. The deeper we look into the ocean, the more we understand one powerful truth: our planet is far more mysterious than we ever imagined. And our journey into the unknown is still not finished. Our journey continues beyond the deepest trenches, into a world where every discovery changes our understanding of life on Earth. Far beneath the waves, the deep ocean remains one of the most mysterious places on our planet. Vast areas of this underwater world have never been explored, leaving countless secrets hidden in the darkness. In these extreme environments, survival requires incredible adaptation. Deep-sea creatures have developed unique abilities that allow them to live without sunlight, under enormous pressure, and with very limited sources of food. Some species create their own light through bioluminescence. These natural lights help them attract prey, communicate, and protect themselves from predators in the endless darkness. The vampire squid, for example, survives in one of the lowest oxygen zones of the ocean. Despite its frightening name, it is a peaceful creature that has perfectly adapted to its unusual environment. Farther across the ocean floor, giant creatures slowly move through the darkness. The mysterious giant squid, once considered a legend, was finally captured on camera, proving that many ocean mysteries are still waiting to be revealed. But the deep sea is not only a place of strange creatures, it is also a world connected to the entire planet. Ocean currents transport heat, influence weather patterns, and play a vital role in maintaining Earth's balance. The deep ocean acts like a massive engine, from tiny microorganisms to enormous whales. Every living thing is connected in this hidden ecosystem. However, this fragile world faces new challenges. Pollution, climate change, and rising ocean temperatures are affecting even the most remote areas of the deep sea. Plastic waste has reached places once believed to be untouched, reminding us that human actions can impact even the darkest corners of our planet. Scientists continue exploring these underwater frontiers, using advanced technology and deep-sea vehicles to uncover what lies beyond human reach. Every dive reveals new species, new discoveries, and new questions about the incredible world beneath the waves. The deep ocean is not just a place of darkness, it is a world filled with life, mystery, and stories that are still waiting to be told. And as we continue our journey into the unknown, one thing becomes clear: the ocean still holds many secrets that humanity has yet to discover.